Hello again and welcome to the red carpet. About 3 years ago, I posted a video making a Letterman jacket using felt, and I got a lot of comments about the cheerleading uniform that I made. So finally, we're going to go ahead and do the cheerleading uniform. We need felt, ribbon, Velcro, a marker, and our hot glue gun. But before we start, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and click that notification bell. Thanks. So we're going to start off with a piece of felt and fold it in half. Then we'll use our dowel and we're going to make a measurement from like elbow to elbow, the width, and then the length is going to be like right at the panty line. I don't want to say panty line, but we're going to get that cut out. It's going to look like this, and we're going to carefully use our hot glue gun to close the two sides. And of course, we're going to always use caution using hot glue. I have not tried this project with fabric glue. Maybe we could use fabric glue. I'd like to try that and see how it works. It would probably take a lot longer. We got the two sides folded. Looks like this. Then we're going to grab our dowel again, and with a marker we're going to measure at the neck, and on each arm we're going to do at the joint, and then lift the arm up and mark up under the arm. And I probably should use the different color markers so that you could really see it on the felt. And try to get it close up on there. But we're going to actually cut the arms and the neck out. And it's going to look like that. And you can see the little top coming along. So now we're going to make a cut, but we're not going to cut up the center. We're going to make one side a little bit larger than the other. You can see the little asymmetry. That right side is a little bigger than the left. Here we're going to flip it. That's going to be the back. This is going to be the front, and we're going to cut a little V neck. Always use caution with sharp objects. Now we're going to put it back on our dowel, and you see a cute little top. And I'm cutting a piece of Velcro in half. I guess if you have like really thin Velcro, you won't have to do this. But to close up our top, I'm going to glue the one side of Velcro to the back of our top. Then I'll put the other Velcro on, and then a little strip of glue, and we will close the top. This is like the quickest and simplest top. And of course, I always love to use the felt because we don't have to worry about hems and everything. So for the skirt, we're going to cut out a little piece that's large enough to go all the way around the dowel. And again, we'll put the Velcro on there. Add the second piece, a little strip of glue, and close it up. And that's going to be the back of our skirt. Again, super easy, super quick. And we're gonna turn it around. And to get it to fit, we're going to use the trick where we create a small pinch at the top and a little drop of glue to hold that pleat into place. Always be careful using hot glue. we're going to do a tiny drop of glue on the inside of the pleat to lock it in place. So we'll do 2 pleats in the front and 2 pleats in the back, and you got a nice little fitted skirt. Just like that from the side. You can really see the pleats from the side. So put the top back on. And you got a cute little instant outfit. I think that would be a cute little tennis outfit too. But for our cheerleading outfit, we're going to add a few extra touches. A little tiny piece of ribbon and a little drop of glue. And we're going to kind of fold it to create the V shape. Be super, super, super careful. And I wish I could have got it on my camera more. So all you need is a tiny bit of glue for that. And we're going to use that to carefully glue around the V-neck of our cheerleading top. Apply a very, very small amount of glue to the ribbon and carefully glue it into place. When you get to the bottom, just cut a tiny little extra piece of ribbon and wrap it around there so you get a nice little neat look when you close everything up. Just like that. And you'll repeat at the bottom for your skirt. And then we're going to add our letter. Since this is the red carpet, we're going to do an R. I'm taking a tiny small piece, a square of felt, and I'm just going to freehand cut out an R. If you're not comfortable with cutting it out freehand, you could always get a stencil. I'm going to fold it and cut the little middle out of the R. And just to add a little pop, I'm just going to use our marker to outline it in red. Then I'll use a black piece of felt and glue it on there and trim it to create a little shadow for our letter. Help it stand out more. And from there, we'll just glue it to the cheerleading top. And the last few steps is to create a hairstyle and add some sneakers and our pom-poms from our previous video, holiday hats. We made the pom-poms using the Christmas garland. It's super cute. I love it. And here she is. Here's our cheerleading outfit with the pom-poms and sneakers and the cute little pigtails. I think she looks really, really cute. And I wanted to add something different, so I'm going to try to make a megaphone. I had a little scrap piece of cardstock, and so I created a little cone, but the color's not exactly the red that I want, so I used some red tape and a little bit of craft foam to create the little top and the handle. So here it is. Here's the complete look with the pom-poms and the megaphone. Of course, I think it's super cute. I adore it. If you don't want to cut out a letter, maybe you could get one of those embroidered little things, little animals or something like that. I think that'd be awesome. So I want to thank you for watching. I want to hear from you guys. So contact me on Facebook or Instagram and send pics and comments. I love to hear your comments. So I wanted to officially welcome It's a Stroke of Life Melissa to the red carpet. She leaves great comments and her YouTube channel is kind of awesome. Check that out, guys. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video. And remember, it's more fun to make it.